Friday, Slot Car News, sponsored by lebhobbies.com. LEB Hobbies, racing fast, made easy. Visit lebhobbies.com. Good morning, folks. It's Friday again. Doing this video before work, and I figured I'd lead off with this. Let's just sit and admire the glory, shall we? Look at all those beautiful cars ready to come to, well, the world market. All those unpainted white RSR scale auto kits. Ah, yes, let's savor the moment. Lovely, aren't they? Sorry. Okay, we actually have an awful lot today. Like, no crap, an awful lot. Starting off with a book, of all things. Slot Car Dreams by Philippe de L'Espinay, none other than the man himself. You can order this book for $74.95 from Electric Dreams. It is an extraordinary tale of electric model car racing in the 20th century. No doubt. And fully illustrated for those of us that need fully illustrations. Wait, what? Okay. Next, on to cars. Carrera's 935s. Yes, the modern cars are finally here. They are they've arrived at dealers, and some of you all already have them. They look really great. The pictures do anyway. Also recently arrived the new Astons. Decorations of the new Astons from Carrera. What next? Okay, so sort of along the lines of what I got here on the show and tell board. Arriving soon, the first two fully liveried monoposto F1s from Policar. These are the what are they? CAR 07 A and B. A and B, of course, the first two coming soon. Real soon. But wait, there's more. Slot It news. XJR 10 coming in the fourth quarter of this year, along with this decoration of the Opel DTM. Those cars are going to be going on pre-order with dealers. Don't expect them before fourth quarter. The second delivery of the 312 B2 Ferrari. If you're thinking about getting, I think it's the number 5 car. It's the next one. Definitely, I would pre-order that with a dealer that's showing pre-orders on those. Yeah, pre-order, trust me. Next, SRC, the Toyota LMP. Yes, they're showing more pictures of the of their new LMP. The pictures just keep getting better and better. The car looks really great. Hopefully, we'll get that one soon. So the next thing is a little bit something different, very specific part. I saw this listed on, what was it, slotcarmancave.com, and they have a new guide for Carrera 132 and 124, because of course the guide is the same guide blade. It's the Slot Invasion C keel. It is supposed to be, I haven't seen one yet, but evidently I'm gonna be getting some samples. I talked to the guys that import them here into the U.S., and I'm going to be getting some samples to check out, because it's always interesting. The guide with Carrera is kind of a limiting thing, and sometimes if you're racing it on other tracks or whatever. I mean, if you're a Carrera person, you know that the guide can be an issue sometimes. Evidently, they fixed some things with this new design. It's a more positive locking head. That's fantastic. A tighter fit. That's fantastic. An enhanced profile. That's what I was told, which you can see here for yourself. It looks like a pretty interesting shape on the guide. That looks great. Half a millimeter deep. Okay, no problem. Sign me up. And lower friction. Everyone likes lower friction, don't we? Yep. Okay, well, so anyway, new part. That's very cool. Whenever I get a sample, I'm going to be doing some thoughts on that and probably do a video just on the guide. Yeah, very cool stuff. Lastly, drum roll please, Scalextric Batmobile. Highly anticipated. Looking really cool in the pictures. We've all seen the pictures already. It is coming end of April into May. So sometime around that time frame, we're going to be getting the Scalextric Batmobile. Oh, very cool. Yeah, I know, right? Awesome. Okay, folks. Thanks for watching the news this morning. Well, it's the afternoon whenever you all see it. I appreciate everyone stopping by. I appreciate all the likes and all the shares and all the comments. Thanks very much, folks. See you again soon.